to learn very important article in physics that we will call significant figure. So what is exactly significant figure? When we are going to use that significant figure, then which factors are depends upon the significant figure that we are going to find out here. So when we perform certain calculation, when we do some experiment, as if you remember, we have seen that we generally take more than two readings. We prefer to take more than two readings. So in that case, when we consider certain value in a calculation, then we have to take mean value in that calculation. So what should be that actual value represent? What is the significance of that value represent? What is the certainty? What is the surety of that value represent that we considered as what? Significant figure. If I say in short, what are the significant figures? Then the total number of digits in the given calculation or given measurement which have a certainty, or we can say which have proper significance. So what exactly I want to say is that we can just go through the basic example. For example, suppose I measured something using a meter scale. That meter scale have least count. Here the word least count preferred for or used for the smallest scale which can be used by that instrument. So if suppose you are having your ruler scale, then that ruler scale have a least count of 0.1 centimeter, because when you use that scale, you can measure the smallest distance is what? 0.1 centimeter. So suppose least count of 0.1 centimeter instrument measure certain quantity. Measure quantity of what? 15.4 centimeter, say 15.5 centimeter, and then say 15 point again 4 centimeter. Okay, 15.4 centimeter. So if I take mean of this value, then mean will be 15.43 centimeter. Mean will be 15.43 centimeter. Then practically here I shall say that I am sure about the first three calculations. I am sure about 1, 5 and 4. Here I can say that I have certainty, or I can say there is a significance in the measurement of digit 1, then 5 and then 4. But I am not sure about this last digit. This digit may be changed. If suppose another reading instead of 15.4 if I take, and instead of that if someone got that reading is 15.5, then that 3 can change. So I cannot say it will be a certain digit. Instead of that, I will say it is uncertain digit. Then I say the total number of significant digits in this calculation were 3, and that are what? 145 or 154. Okay. So there are some rules for significant figures. That rules are very important. First rule you should follow properly. First rule, all non-zero digits in a given measurement are significant. All non-zero digits in the given measurement are significant. For example, if suppose I had measured something and its value 1659 say centimeter, then here 1, 6, 9 and 8 are having significance and it is 4, it will have 4 significant digits. If I measure suppose 1.6325, then I am sure that after decimal point there are 4 digits which are giving me significance or certainty. Then I will say that there are 5 significant figures. Okay, so all non-zero digits in the given measurement are significant. Second rule, all, or instead of saying in other words, if I say instead of writing the rule, I will just write the examples of the rule. It will be simple for me. Suppose I got certain calculation. The calculation is say 0.00145. So here I can say the number is less than 1. After decimal point, these two zeros are important, but the initial counting will be start from actually 1 and then 4 and 5. So in that case, all the zeros before non-zero digit are not significant. So here, though there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total number of digits are 6, but the significant figures are 3 only. I think this is important to understand, important to learn. But if I say in a third rule, if I say there are 145.02,